Hi, I'm Randy Reid, editor of the Edison Report, and we're here at LEDucation 2025. This is our C-Suite series, and I am joined by Humberto Guillen with Construlita out of Mexico. Welcome.
Thank you, Randy.
Well, thank you for joining me. And of course, the first thing people think about today is tariffs. And I'll just start out by saying, I just think it's a hell of a mess. What are your thoughts on tariffs, and what are you guys doing regarding tariffs?
Besides the things that are happening right now in between the governments, it's not clear yet, but it will be in a couple of months. Mexico is been in the last couple of years a really good country to do OEM, right? Because of the versatility, the approachability, the accessibility of time zones. We are 2 days.
Okay, so let's talk about that. Okay. So where are you in Mexico?
We are we have our factory in Querétaro.
Okay, is that a maquiladora?
Yes.
Okay.
And we also have, we are national, so we have offices in all over the country.
So one of the huge benefits you have over China is time.
Of course.
So we're in New York. How many days to New York?
I think to the border it could be like 2 days, and from there to New York,
3 or 4 days.
Of course.
Okay, very good. Now your company, tell us a little bit about the products that you offer.
Yes, we have like a very wide range of capabilities. We could do from downlights, very common areas, luminaries. Also we do very specific luminaries. We have already producing OEMs like MRI luminaries for hospitals, and also we're doing anti-explosive luminaries.
So hazardous location,
yes.
And you said for hospitals as well.
Yeah.
But do you sell to the distributor? Do you sell to the user? Do you sell to the OEM and private label? How do you go to market?
We go to market in a very strange. We do directly to the OEM.
Okay.
But we can also work with the distributors.
Okay, so you do have OEMs here in the U.S.
Yes.
who buy your product private labeled.
Yes.
And the benefit to them is they don't need to carry the stock, they don't need to do the manufacturing. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I think the tariffs at 25% are meant to kind of kill that channel or discourage that channel.
I mean, if they happen, because it's been like a couple of months of delaying them, we know it's something that it's being said that it's going to happen, but we could, I think the negotiation of our governments and the work that they have established for the next years will easily dilute us.
They have been doing some carve-outs for different sectors. Do you envision a carve-out for lighting?
Not right now.
No, I don't either. I don't either. And it is interesting. I thought it was a negotiating tactic and that the tariffs would go away. But I'm really beginning to think that the tariff with Mexico, that Trump wants to stick with that tariff. So I think that will really, it may change the dynamics a bit.
Might, but I think it will be in very specific areas.
Okay.
I don't think in our specific tech space it will apply.
Okay, but let's just, if we can, go to the next step. So you offer a huge benefit because of convenience. It's very close. The manufacturing, less labor cost in Mexico. But if you do have to have a 25% tariff in 6 months, let's say that it does become permanent, what will happen? You will have to raise your prices, correct?
Yes, but even if with a 25%, we're still very low because the logistics, it's all simplified.
So you would still be competitive, is your point?
Yes.
Even with the 25%
Even with
tariff?
the 25%, we're still very competitive. Our supply chain is also very stable in terms that we don't fluctuate with the shipping. It's from other countries. We are already have a very stable supply chain that could benefit and create a very attractive opportunities for everyone.
Okay, I understand. So what are some of the challenges that you have right now in Mexico? Do you have any problems with components? Because some of your stuff does come from China.
Yes. Yes, well, right now we don't have any tariffs to China. We're
Right.
still very open with them, and I believe that will be more in the future. I mean, Chinese companies are looking to enter into Mexican territory because of the TEMEC and everything, but but they want to distribute from their parts and everything. So I think it's going to be more attractive.
Okay, that's interesting. Do you sell components or just complete fixtures?
Complete fixtures.
Okay, no components whatsoever?
No.
Okay, and then on your drivers, do you build your drivers or are you sourcing drivers?
We have both.
You pardon me?
We have both.
Both?
Yes.
So you build some and you source some?
Yes.
Okay, excellent.
We
okay.
even have some expertise with Mexican brands about control and automate. So we also have that variety of products.
Okay, Humberto, it's been great talking with you. And
Thank
I
you,
wish you
Randy.
well. I wish you
Thanks.
well. You've got some challenges.